Here are four die-cast 1/20/43 scale 1955 Chevys made by different manufacturers. The yellow Bel Air convertible is made by Sunstar. Very detailed. The light blue and white one is a Franklin Mint precision model. Also very detailed. Doors open and the hood opens. Only Franklin Mint would provide that. The others don't have that feature. This red and white Bel Air convertible is made by Motormax. Same details, but there's nothing that these really share except for maybe the body. I'm not sure. Now this one is a little bit larger. This is made by Collector's Classics. It's a hardtop. Collector Classics are made in Argentina. Nothing opens on this. It's a nice model, but it's a little wider. And the person who put this together is assigned, underneath is signed by the person who put it together, which is common with all Collector's Classics. These are all factory colors, and it just shows you how popular the 55 Chevy was in modeling, and that different manufacturers had modeled them. So I wanted to show you these four similar but different 55 Chevys. Thanks for reviewing.